There we go. Yeah. There we go. Well, see, nowadays, people aren't really old anymore. I want to die. You done? You done okay?
I don't know if I want coffee or food or...
Both, man. What are you talking about? Well, if you want, you could just drop me off and I'll go shopping and you just pick up later.
No!
We're like a 2-hour walk away from where we want to be, but it's worth it because we have a car park now, so...
He thinks it's not a 2-hour.
Yeah, I'm just kidding. I just like to exaggerate.
See, I have the same backpack.
We have the same backpack. Good taste.
Thanks, Kmart. You are the best.
Heyo!
Backpack life. Backpack.
It's actually really good for you too. There we go!
Oh my god, you...
Start and stop.
Oh, look, you can't see that.
I'll do that shot too.
Right?
Good shot.
8-minute walk, yes. I don't know if you can see then.
Started walking directions to swap clothing exchange. In 60 meters, turn right on Boundary Street.
Oh, that's okay.
Oh, easy peasy, Japanese lemon squeezy.
Okay, well, I don't need that on then.
Oh, it's a cute dog.
Oh my god, love. I would sit in
it
it,
needs a bit of help,
but, you know, lol. Do you know what? I haven't vlogged, like, outside properly, if that makes sense. So you're probably gonna see some, like, these shots, or, like, cut off my head.
The problem is that when you're vlogging, you need to just be, like, confident so you get the shot you want.
Yeah.
I'm not good at that.
But my arm, if you couldn't see, my arm is, like, high, all the way up here.
Yeah.
Oh my god, this little cafe, I'll show you. This little cafe, right here, this one, is the cutest. Billy Cart. Oh, it's adorable. It's adorable.
Cold in the shade.
Right? It's freezing. I don't understand. Do you want to do outfit OTD here? See? I just cut off my head. I suck.
I'll just like, I'm in.
Thing happens every month. Nice. I can't remember where I parked.
Basically, we've decided it's that way and that way eventually. Whoops.
I bad guys.
As long as we can find that record place. Do we even know what it's called? Okay,
just a lot of people at the record store?
We'll just hope for the best.
I feel that.
We can look for the loft or whatever it's called.
Oh, yes. Also, okay. I don't know if you guys can see, but it looks like it's going to rain. Let's hope it doesn't rain.
I hope not, because I was not prepared. I decided not to bring my jacket, so...
And I had a raincoat prepped in the car, and then I was like, oh no, it's cool, I won't bring it. I'm gonna go for it. When people don't let me cross the road...
I'm not a city person, I'm not used to this.
I come to the city pretty much like way too much in my life. Because I work here, so I get it, I understand.
Homemade lemonade.
Oh, we found it. We found it. We found it.
Okay, cool.
Oh my god. What is that angle? Oh, hot.
Oh, there's gonna be so much cool stuff.
And it's like above the ground. Check out that view. Oh my god, dead. Oh my god, look at all those jeans. Holy shit. Yes.
Just like trying to
Bitch, this is not vintage. It's in sale. It's in season now.
I know you could get that now.
Size 5. I have a fat foot. It's not gonna happen. Give up.
Regret. Disappoint.
You would suit this.
Oh my god, because I've got a button down one, but I've been eyeing off the non-button ones. What size is it?
Guess where it's from.
Where's it from? Where is it from? Try it on. Does it say a size on it? No. Oh, extra small. You never know. I mean, I fit size 6 from Ali for some reason. So
Try it on. Try it on.
on.
I feel like you would dig that so good. Do you just want to buy an ugly sweater?
I love pullover sweaters. I need one like big ones.
Hello.
I know, isn't it cute?
I would wear that because it's comf and people know I love to be comf.
And it's cute. It's got polar bears on it, mate. Oh, that's so cute. Try it on.
I look like, but it looks so tiny.
It's probably cropped.
Like, look at that.
You could rock it, mate. I believe in you. It kind of looks like pajamas, but I like it.
I would wear pajamas.
Yeah.
Let me just sponsor.
Brand rep. Go, go.
This is too much wires going on right now.
Denim. Oh, I'm feeling it with denim.
I have one more shirt.
Okay. Is it meant to be Barton Millhouse? I think it's meant to be Barton Millhouse. That's cool. Or maybe not, but it looks like them. If it.
This is crusty.
Yeah.
About less crusty.
Are you really prepared for me to try all these clothes on? Because you're going to be here a while.
Okay, so my pants, my shoes are Connie's. My pants are from Glassons. Glasses I should be wearing my face. Shirt is from Glassons because that's literally all I go to. And my backpack, because I Dora the Explorer from Kmart. Good old Kmart. That is today's ROTD. How's it going there? How's it going?
I'm like dropping everything.
Do you know what I keep doing? April?
What you want me doing?
Yeah, I keep looking in the viewfinder.
Oh, really?
I'm like, oh, this is so bad. I shouldn't be doing this. Oh, sorry. Yes. Yes.
I like that. They don't care what we're filming. It's all good. They're just like, oh, okay, they're eccentric people.
Where do? April. That dude stole my shirt. But him. The first shirt I tried on. Oh, I was like, it's my shirt. See, I love these shoes. But someone's tiny ass foot. Ooh. How do you exchange? Also, did you see this setup? That's what I want in my house. Where is she? She's over there. Oh my god. 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 We were talking about these this morning. Lol. We were talking about the shoes this morning.
Yeah.
Oh my god. What the fuck is that? What are they? It looks like I have a baby, but I swear.
We just finished Rara Superstar. We didn't get anything, but we found some cool stuff. She's just lost the plot right now. I think it's because she's hungry. So we're gonna go get McDonald's.
How do you whip? How do you whip?
Oh yeah, that's like a oh, I don't know. I don't know how you whip.
Dad. Dad.
I like the peace sign. That's easy.
Dad.
Okay,
It's me. Everyone.
we should probably get out of the we're gonna get out of the rain and go get Macca's. Macca's run done.
Gone. Complete. Look how cute this shirt is.
Oh my god, that's so cute.
My sister wasn't so fat. If she was little still, I would totally get
Oh
that
my
for her,
goodness.
but she is little.
It'd probably stretch.
Bless you.
I'm getting cold now.
I just said that. I was like, I'm falling for a reason.
All pants here.
I think I don't need any more pants.
I don't see any I like, but it's not looking promising because this doesn't look like sleepwear. Isn't that cute? A bit see-through, but it's cute.
Try it on.
That'd be really cute over a t-shirt if you like that look.
I don't. I think it fucking reminds me of my mom when I was a baby. Have you found anything?
I've only found these slips. Yeah.
What have you found?
A red skirt.
Oh,
Cool.
I love it. Oh, it's so good. So good. Oh, maybe I should like let us into my car. Maybe step uno. So I brought nothing for me. That's. Oh my god. What's going on? I don't know who you are. I'm not answering you. Hold up. Ha. Ha. Yeah. Yeah. So I didn't buy anything for myself because I didn't really find anything I liked. So my friend just had her baby and I brought this for her. How cute! Oh my god, Dora the Explorer. If you do not know who Dora the Explorer is, you did not have a childhood. Catch her at the next store.
Keep it as a normal shirt and wear it as a normal shirt, and then if you're still not sure, cut it. I love it. It's such a nice color. Beans actually looks really cool. Just keep going. Love it.
Even if I
Yeah, tuck in a little bit. I think you've actually got something out of this trip.
Okay, so we went off shopping as you saw, but I thought I'd do like a quick little haul. Sorry, the guy's mowing. So he comes closer. No, thank you. So we're really cute, oversized, grey shirt. I don't know if I want to crop it yet. Leave a comment if I should or not. And then man, because it's like winter here in Australia, slash Brisbane slash wherever, this really cute, I love green. Hey-oh! Nope. This really cute green oversized sweater. It's really cute.
Are you gonna walk up there? Okay. I was gonna say, do you want me to? I'll get the thingy. Hang on. I need more.
What's that again?
Like, I'm never gonna find this anywhere. Denim. Oh, I'm feeling it with denim. Getting me.
Hey-oh!
And if you want to check out what I got, keep watching. And then I was about to say something and then it sounded really weird.
Oh my god, that was ugly.